Australia, a land abound in nature's gifts. Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people inhabited this land for over 65,000 years before they were joined by waves of settlers and migrants from across the world that helped forge modern Australia as we know it. Australian culture is as broad and varied as its unique landscape. This remarkable diversity has flourished thanks to the contributions of migrants from various ethnic, cultural and religious backgrounds.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Australian Muslims have played an important role in contributing to this diversity. Their story is not a recent one. Rather, it dates back to the 16th century. Some of Australia's first recorded international relations and trade was established with Macassans, Muslims from Indonesia. Indigenous Australians and Macassans traded together harmoniously for over 2 centuries before Australia's independence. Some Macassan traders settled in Australia and married Indigenous Australians. The religious and cultural legacy of these first Australian Muslims continues to this day. Between 1860 and 1930, thousands of Muslim cameleers from Afghanistan and its surrounding regions were brought to Australia. They played a crucial role in opening up the deserts, providing essential supplies to remote communities, and developing critical national infrastructure like the overland telegraph line. Throughout Australia's early history, there are similar examples of Muslim contributions, be it Malaysian Muslim pearl divers in Victoria or Javanese Muslim sugarcane farmers in Queensland. Muslim contributions have since grown to every facet of Australian society, including in healthcare. Australian Muslim physicians, nurses, and allied health professionals today serve their local communities across the country. The Australian Islamic Medical Association, also known as AIMA, is an independent not-for-profit organisation that is registered with the Australian Charities and Not-for-Profits Commission. AIMA strives to bring together a diverse team of medical and allied health professionals participating in healthcare projects, community development, and health awareness activities. AIMA is a national organisation of Australian Muslim medical and allied health professionals working together to make a difference and inspire the next generation. In line with its vision, AIMA aspires to make tangible differences in alleviating disease and its socio-economic impacts by making healthcare accessible for all. AIMA's initiatives include the COVID-19 Hub, Blood Donation Drive, Lifesavers Program, medical camps and workshops in Australia, food and supply donations to Companion House and related charities, free surgical camps internationally, health education, support and advocacy at masjids throughout Australia for the broader community. AIMA has most recently been at the forefront of the fight against COVID-19, running extensive community advocacy programs to promote vaccine awareness in different languages, reaching out to and supporting the most vulnerable among us during these difficult times. In partnership with the Federation of International Islamic Medical Associations, AIMA ran CPR training workshops in masjids across the country on International Lifesaver Day. Over the last 3 years, AIMA has coordinated a blood drive at masjids in almost every state and territory. These efforts were formally acknowledged by the Australian Red Cross, who awarded AIMA the Champion Award. AIMA also ran workshops and campaigns to increase community awareness of common public health issues, including diabetes, heart disease, and mental health. Despite the efforts of AIMA and other aligned social, cultural, and religious organisations, racism and Islamophobia continue to rise. In 2021, the Australian Human Rights Commission reported that 80% of Muslims experience discrimination due to their religion. AIMA seeks to address growing Islamophobia by creating awareness in the broader Australian community of the impactful and selfless work Muslim medical and allied health professionals are doing. They are the frontrunners against stereotypes and stigmas. They contribute to create a harmonious and healthy society. They are the ambassadors of a religion that emphasizes compassion, generosity, peace, and selflessness. If you are a Muslim medical, nursing, and allied health professional in Australia, join AIMA. Your participation will make a difference. We are just a drop individually, but together, an ocean. Australian Islamic Medical Association, AIMA,